In this chapter, we're going to start talking about configurations in SolidWorks. Configurations are a way that you can quickly and easily manipulate your designs by adjusting common parameters, whether or not features are suppressed or components are suppressed, and really make your designs flexible. These are very handy for people that make a lot of very similar parts. For instance, our sheet metal example 4 box. If you make this box for specific customers, somebody needs one that's 10 inches wide or somebody needs one that's 6 inches wide. Instead of having to redraw this or redo it every time or come in and manually update dimensions and save it out as a new file, you can handle this by using configurations. And throughout this chapter, we're going to talk about configurations and some of the different options that we have. Just as a note, you will have to have Microsoft Office installed on your computer because it does use Excel on the back end. Now, there are other various options that I won't be talking about. I'll mention briefly, but if you have advanced Excel functionality knowledge, for instance, if you are proficient with VBA and making some pretty cool stuff on the back end of Excel, you can really incorporate that into updating your designs. For this example, we're going to do stuff very simply and really just look at the basic functionality of it. But again, you can take that pretty far, and I've done some pretty cool VBA-based Excel design table files, and you really don't have any limit to it as long as you understand the functionality.